What's up, you guys? So today I will be reviewing Donmilly. This is the water wave hair. It is 18 inches, 150% density. Here is the wig cap, and this is the bag that the hair came in. It came in a cute little pink bag, and the hair was in the plastic bag. And they have the cute little symbol up there, Donmilly, and they sent 2 headbands with this wig. And here's the smell test. It failed miserably. It smells like chemicals or relaxer or whatever. It just has a stinky smell. Usually I'll wash my wigs before I install them, but I just went ahead and installed this. Here is the hair. The pattern is very pretty hair. There are 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back, so it's very secure. I'm just going to use my wig cap that I had on already and place the wig on my head. The install for these headband wigs are super fast. The velcro in the back is super secure, and there we go. Boom. Super pretty hair, super easy install, and this is 18 inches. So I ran my fingers through it to see if there was a lot of shedding, and there wasn't. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some product. I'm just spraying water. Sometimes I do use products like how I would use on my regular curly hair routine, but I wasn't going anywhere, so I just sprayed water on it. And make sure you saturate it very well. And just brush those curls through. So now I'm going to get my mousse. This is the Lottie Body. I will put this in the description box below along with the hair link. And I'm just going to be pretty generous with this and spread it all over the curls and scrunch my hair. So I would definitely recommend this wig. It's very beginner friendly. It's very lightweight, pretty. The only con was the smell for me, and I like my hair a little bit on the thicker side, especially curls. But it didn't take much for me, to get the curls popping in this unit. But that's my review. That's all I got to say. It's very easy to install, and it's on the go. It's an on the go wig. Period. So please give me a like. Please comment and subscribe. Until next time, this is your girl Tattooed Curls. Peace.